Well, this is an over-engineered system because I felt like it. It's incomplete so far though. And what we have here, this is where the inlet will be, which will run down into this makeshift pre-filter. And from the pre-filter runs up this way into homebrew CO2 reactor, which has adjustable bypass, so it can be bypassed or just allow a little bit through, depending on the carbon dioxide needs. And this will be hooked up to a carbon dioxide tank, and there it'll pass through the flow meter, which is going to be replaced with a digital flow meter, and then from there it goes into the heaters, and they have a bypass beside them too, just in case. From the heaters it runs up and into the Aqua UV sterilizer, through the sterilizer into the pump, and that's what's pulling the water through, other than just gravity. Now this interesting little setup here, as this will create a vacuum, because it's on the suction side of the pump, will be hooked up with hoses to degas the CO2 reactor. So that'll pull off excess bubbles and pressure and automatically feed it back into the pump, and it'll come out of the pump and then into the FX6. And I haven't worked out an outlet solution yet, but out of the FX6 and then return back to the tank. And what you're looking at here is a quick water change system, whereby turning that valve off and turning this one on will let the water run from there, from that tube, and it'll run out to up above there, out the side. And I've built this such that that's magnetic and removable, so I have access to the side. And that's how that's set up. So it's a bit complicated. If I'm remembering correctly, that's an Eco Plus 633, and I figure that with all this plumbing, I'm probably cutting the flow rate by at least half. So, and that was like, this is kind of done on purpose, and at least half kind of calculated, so that we get a nice slow flow rate through here, as I am hoping to achieve the high kill rates as discussed in that article. And that is for an as of yet unfinished 90-gallon aquarium. And that's the setup so far.